सर्वेभ्यः सुप्रभातम्। अद्य प्लवनाम संवत्सरे उत्तरायणे ग्रीष्मर्तौ आषाढमासे शुक्लपक्षे प्रतिपत्तिथिः till 10:17 PM East Coast time. स्थिरवासरः पुनर्वसु नक्षत्रं till 3:32 PM followed by पुष्यमी. व्याघात योगः till 7:20 AM followed by हर्षण योगः. किंस्तुघ्नः करणं till 9:50 AM followed by Bhavakaranam till 10:17 PM followed by Balavakaranam. So again another good day. Every time we try to find some factor which will give us the feeling that it is a good day. They say typically, I also learned this from Narendra Kapreji recently, that we don't start any activity on Pratipad Tithi, because they say, what are they called? Chandrama, Amavasya and Purnima. After that, by that time, we should have done several other activities. So typically on Pratipad day, either we will be tired or a rest day. So they don't want to start any new activity, they say. But for us, we are not starting the activity. It is continuing. But the best part is it is Punarvasu, Sri Rama's Nakshatram. So we are very happy today that we will continue our 29th Sarga. Remember what we did in last session when we completed Etasmin Antare Rama Kashyapo Agni Samaprabha Aditya Sahitaha Rama Deepyamana Ivaujasa Devi Sahayo Bhagavan Divyam Varsha Sahasrakam Vratam Samapya Varadam Tushtava Madhusudanam. So while Vishnu was doing tapas in that Siddhashrama, which got that name a little later, Kashyapa Maharshi, he also did a very Tivra tapas. Varsha Sahasrakam Yavat Divyam tapas. Yatha Devi Sahaya Bhagavan, just as Bhagavan Ishvara with Parvati, he has done the tapas. So also Aditya Saha, along with Aditi, Kashyapa also did that Varsha Sahasrakam, Divyam, the divine 1,000 years. That means for our human years, it will be much, much longer. So Divyam Varsha Sahasrakam Vratam Samapya, having completed that, Madhusudanam Varadam Tushtava. He has pleased Madhusudana, who is also Varada, who gives Varam Dadatiyah Saha Varadaha. Tam Varadam Tushtava. He pleased him. That's where we stop on a positive note. So today, onwards, we'll continue from there. Tapomayam Tapo Rashim Tapo Murtim Tapatmakam.
Tapomayam Tapo Rashim Tapo Murtim Tapatmakam.
Tapatmakam. Tapasa Tvam Sutaptena.
Tapsa Tvam Supatena.
Tutaptena.
Sutaptena.
Pashyami Purushottamam.
Pashyami Purushottamam.
So it's all tapaha. So tapomayam, tapo rashim, tapo murtim. We said all the words which are typically ending in are the karma padas. So they are the adjectives for the object or the object itself. Tapo rashim Purushottamam Pashyami. So I see Purushottama, who is Tapomaya. That means he is full of tapas. Tapo Rashim is a heap of tapaha. That means if there is anything called tapas, it is that Purushottama. Tapo Murtim, embodiment of tapas itself. Tapatmakam. So he is the Atma of tapas. He is the spirit of tapas. Such Purushottamam. And Sutaptena Tapasa Pashyami. So that's the beauty here. We remember we always said The Karta.
Mahodaya, there are 7
Um.
slokas missing. Last one we finished at Vamanatvam Tushtavo was the last one. So there are, we should be starting with the 7th sloka. I think that yeah, 5th sloka we complete. Etasmin neva kale tu raja virochana nirbalihi nirjitya sarva daivatan daivata ganan. So that was 5th sloka. Please correct me if I'm mistaken, but
did we not complete till the 10th sloka?
I think we completed up to 5th.
Is it only up to 5th?
Yeah, these don't Yajnamiti, Bales to Bali. We finished at Bali, I think. Vamanatvam Gataha.
Nirjitya daivata ganan.
That's where we ended. We should be starting with sleep 6.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, that's what
Karayama Satadrajyam Trishulokeshu Vishwataha. Oh, is it?
Yeah.
We stopped at 5th, not at 10th, 11th.
Yeah.
Oh. Astu. Okay. So they were telling, right? Kashyap, Vishwamitra was telling Rama about this ashrama. Siddhashrama iti khyataha.
Yeah, 5th. Yeah, 5th we finished. Virochana Bali. Yeah. We finished 5th one. Yeah. Karayama.
So while during this time.
Yeah.
But during this time when Vishnu was doing Mahatapaha, that during that time, Etasminneva Kaletu, that time itself, Raja, who is Bali, also Vairochani, Virochana's son. Virochana is son of Prahlada, so grandson of Prahlada, who is Bali. Nirjitya Daivata Ganan, having won over the Devatas. Along with Indra, Maradgana, all of them, he won over all of them, and he started ruling Trishulokeshu Tadrajyam Karayamasa, and he was Vishrutaha, very popular, means with good fame he was ruling, unlike Hiranyakashipu or others in the past who ruled all the 3 worlds with very bad activities. With very painful activities. Unlike that, he was Vishrutaha, he was ruling in a good way. So Balestu Yajamanasya Devasagni Purogamaha Samagamya Swayam Chaiva Vishnu Rihashrama. Vishnu Ruchu Rihashrame. So, not we read this, but anyway, we will again do it, no problem. So, Devaha Ta Agni Purogamaha. Agnim Puraskritya Gatavantaha Agni Purogamaha. By keeping Agni in front of them, all the gods, along with Agni, by keeping them in the front. Yajamanasya Balehe, because that time Bali was doing a yajna, and so one who does yajna is Yajaman. Of that Yajaman Balehe, Tamagamya Swayam Chaiva Vishnum Uchuhu Iha Ashrame. All those gods who went there also now came into this ashrama, and Uchuhu, they said unto Vishnu, Vishnum Uchuhu. What did they say? Balir Vairochanir Vishnu Yajate Yagnamuttamam Samapte Kratau Tasmin
Asamapte Krato Tasmin
Swakaryam Abhipadyatam.
Swakaryam Abhipadyatam.
Swakaryam Abhipadyatam. Swakaryam Abhipadyatam. I think we did this. We did all these slokas. We said Swakaryam, the way gods tell Vishnu, आपका काम करिए. We said, I think we discussed it last week.
आशीर्वाद
But anyway, since so
कल्याण
Balihi Vairocanihi, हे Vishnu, Yajnam Uttamam Yajnam Yajate. So they have come and they are informing Vishnu, who is already doing tapas, that Balihi, who is Vairocani, he is performing a great yajna. Uttamam yajnam yajate. Yajate is the verb. So asamapte kratau tasmin, we said before it completes. Samapte, after it completes. Asamapte, before it completes. Asamapte kratau tasmin swakaryam abhipajyatam, do your work. आपका काम करिए, which means हमारा काम करिए. But they know हमारा काम ही आपका काम या आपका काम ही हमारा काम. इसलिए उसे करिए. असमाप्त ये चैनम अभिवर्तन्ते,
ये चैनम अभिवर्तन्ते
याचितार इतस्ततः,
याचितार
इतस्ततः यच्च यत्र यथावच्च,
यच्च यत्र यथावच्च
सर्वं तेभ्यः प्रयच्छति.
सर्वं तेभ्यः प्रयच्छति.
So they are also telling him, ye cha enam abhivartante, where whoever go there, ye, jo, whoever go there, yachitaraha, yachita, itrakaranta padam, yachitru. So yachita is one singular, yachitaraha bahuvachanam, karyakarta, karyakartaraha bahuvachanam. So ye yachitaraha itastataha, from here and there, enam abhivartante, those who go and face him and are seek him, yatcha, yatra, yathavatcha, sarvam tebhyah prayachati. So whoever from wherever come there, and yat, whatever, yathavat, however, people ask, sarvam tebhyah prayachati. He is giving away everything for them. Whatever they may ask, however they may ask, from wherever they might have come, whoever they were, whatever they ask, he was giving away. Bali was giving away. Tattvam surahitarthaya.
Sattvam surahitarthaya.
Maya yogam upagatah.
Maya yogam upagatah.
Vamanatvam gato Vishnu.
Vamanatvam gato Vishnu.
Kuru kalyanam uttamam.
Kuru kalyanam uttamam.
So they are telling him, kalyanam uttamam kuru. Please do our kalyan. Please do the best kalyan for us. Means do the best for us. And what is best for us? Surahitarthaya, for the welfare of the gods. For the welfare of all gods, please do it. How? Maya yogam upagatah. Go and mesmerize him. You are anyway good in Maya. Because Maya is in Vishnu's control. Always, right? So Maya yogam, become one with Maya. Maya yogam upagatah. Vamanatvam gatah, become short in a Vamanatvam. Go in a short here in multiple meanings. Short in physical as dwarf, but lower yourself is also what it means. Bali is now in a जो जितना भी कहाँ से भी ऐसे भी पूछ रहे सभी को ही देते जा रहा है. तो इसलिए आप छोटा बन के जाओ, आप जो मांगे वो दे देगा और हमको अपना वापस दिला दो. So that's the strategy they are trying to tell him by saying Vamanatvam. Short in height is one thing, but lower yourself in ego or lower yourself in your stature. Go as a seeker. तो क्या आप सभी को देते हो तो आप पूछ लो क्या है उसमें. That is the strategy that they have told. In fact, that is a lesson for us also. So, in fact, in one of our movies also, Telugu movie, there is a great writer, Trivikram Srinivas. He quotes great quotes in the form of hero or somebody's dialogue. May say dialogue, super right. So there he says, जहां जीतना है नहीं, कहां कम होना है मालूम होना चाहिए जीतने के लिए. ఎక్కడ తగ్గాలో తెలియాలి, ఎక్కడ గెలవాలో కాదు, ఎక్కడ తగ్గాలో తెలియాలి. He says, to win, where to win is not important. कहां कम होना है हमें is important. So that is exactly what is gods are also telling Vishnu in a way. Don't worry that you are so great, you are the god directly yourself. But because Bali is a good guy, you don't have to go to kill him. So you don't have to go as a great avatar. Just go as a simple, ordinary, normal person and go seek for us. So Vamanatvam is that another under conceptual understanding we should think about. Not just as a dwarf. So what if we say a dwarf? Doesn't matter. Point there is shorten or lowered ego. Go and seek. No problem. Aisa. So Vamanatvam gato Vishnu kuru kalyanam uttamam. By in Vamanatva, by lowering yourself, your stature, do welfare for us easily. Etasmin mantare Rama.
एतस्मिन् मन्त्रे राम
Kashyapo Agni Samaprabha.
कश्यपो अग्निसमप्रभा
Aditya Sahito Rama.
आदित्या सहितो राम
Deepyamana Ivaujasa.
दीप्यमान इवोजसा
Devi Sahayo Bhagavan.
देवी सहायो भगवान
Divyam Varsha Sahasrakam.
दिव्यम वर्ष सहस्त्रक्रम
Vratam Samapya Varadam.
व्रतम समाप्य वर्दम
Tushtava Madhusudanam.
तुष्टाव मधुसूदनम.
So we started here, but we'll again repeat. So etasmin antare, during this time when gods were approaching Vishnu and telling him about the strategy that Bali is performing a great yajna before he completes. Lower your stature, lower your ego, become a short guy, small guy, and get our job done. While they were telling this, during that time, Agni Samaprabha Kashyapaha, glowing like Agni. That means with so much of tejas. Agni Samaprabha Kashyapaha, Aditya Sahitaha, along with Aditi, Deepyamanaha Iva Aujasa, with Ojas, Deepyamanaha, he was glowing with the Ojas, with tejas like Agni, with Ojas like Deepyamana. That means enlightened. Devi Sahayaha, Devi Parvati Sahayo Yasya, Saha Bhagavan Shambhu, Iva, like Shambhu, when he was doing tapas, Parvati was doing all the upachar for her. So also, when Kashyapa was doing tapas, Aditi was doing all the upachar for him. And so he is like Devi Sahayaha. So, and he did it for Varsha Sahasrakam. Saha Vratam Samapya Madhusudanam Varadam Tushtava. He pleased Madhusudana. And then we read this also. Tapo Mayam, Tapo Rashim, Tapo Murtim, Tapatmakam, Tapasatvam Sutaptena Pashyami Purushottamam. In fact, nice shloka also for all of us to do contest. So I'll say once, you all repeat twice. Tapo Mayam, Tapo Rashim.
Tapomayam taporashim.
Twice.
Tapomayam taporashim.
Tapo Murtim Tapatmakam.
Tapomurtim tapatmakam. Tapomurtim tapatmakam.
Tapasatvam Sutaptena.
Tapasatvam sutaptena. Tapasatvam sutaptena.
Pashyami Purushottamam.
Pashyami purushottamam. Pashyami Purushottamam.
Uttamam. So tapatmakam tapah Bhagavan. So Kashyapa is now praising Purushottama by saying, "Oh Purushottama, Tvam, unto you, Aapko, who is like Tapomaya, Tapo Rashi, Tapo Murti, Tapatmaka, Aapko." Now the point is here, this is where I was starting, and then Arunji pointed us to go back. So in order to obtain a Tapomaya, you also should become Tapta. We always used to say, right, a Dharmatma can be approached only by another Dharmatma. There were other couple of such examples I was quoting. In the very first shloka itself, right? Tapaswadhyaya niratam tapasvi vagvidam varam naradam paripapricha valmikir munipungavam. So Munipungava Narada, who is a tapaswadhyaya, tapaswadhyaya, unto such him, Tapasvi Narada, what is the first shloka? I'm slightly confused. Tapaswadhyaya niratam. So Narada is Tapaswadhyaya nirata. Unto him, Tapasvi Valmiki goes and asks. Right? So a Tapasvi only can ask a Tapaswadhyaya. Likewise, if Purushottama is Tapomayam, Tapo Rashi, Tapo Murti, Tapatmakam, then to obtain him, to reach him, to be able to converse with him or to be able to interact with him, deal with him, we should also be Taptaha. Tapasa Sutaptena. So through tapas is Sutaptaha. Tena, with it, with that tapas only, I am able to see Pashyami. With my tapas of this Divya Sahasrakam Varsham, Divya Varsha Sahasrakam tapas, I am able to see you. So that's the point there. Because he is a Tapatmaka Tapomayam, we can realize him only through tapas, no other way. Sharire tava pashyami Jagat Sarvamidam Prabho.
Jagat Sarvam Idam Prabho.
Tvamanadir
Tvamanadir Nirdesha.
You don't read, listen. Tvamanadir Anirdeshya.
Tvamanadir Nirdesha.
Anirdeshya.
Anirdesha.
Tvam anadihi anirdeshya.
Tvam anadihi anirdeshya.
Tvamanadir anirdeshya.
Tvamanadir anirdeshya.
Tvamaham sharanam gataha.
Tvamaham sharanam gataha.
So, Sharire tava pashyami Jagat Sarvam Idam Prabho. So Kashyapa is praising Vishnu further. In your Sharira, Sharire Tava, Tava Sharire, in your body, Aham Jagat Sarvam Pashyami. I am able to see the whole world. So the Bhashyakara is now reminding us. Do we remember any shloka, any other popular shloka with this meaning? Sharire Tava Sharire Jagat Sarvam Idam Pashyami. In Bhagavad Gita, when Sri Krishna in the Vishwarupa Yoga Adhyaya, when he gives him the Vishwarupa Darshanam, then Arjuna, amazed at him, and he says, Pashyami devas tava deva dehe sarvartha sarvans tatha bhuta vichesha sanghan brahmanam isham kamalasanastham Rishimscha sarvan nuraganscha divyan aneka bahodara vattanetram, and goes on like that. He sees what all I am seeing in you. Oh my God, Krishna. And he goes. So that shlokam. Remember, I always am trying to bring that point that Sanskritam is one language, and the continuity of our culture and the language, where for millions of years, same concepts, that finalized, crystallized concepts remained the same for millennia and millenniums of years. So Ramayanam then, Bhagavad Gita, how recent? Only 5,000 years old, 5,000 plus. But even then, Vyasa also applied the same concepts. Tava sharire jagat sarvam pashyami. If we are able to see that, then we have realized the Vishwarupa. If we see Rama is only one form of Rama, if we see Shiva is only one form of Shiva, or Jesus has whatever, right? Then no, we haven't understood. There is a long way to graduate. When we can see the whole world in him and him in the whole world, both are important. To be able to see him everywhere, to be able to see everything in him, then Advaita Sthiti we have obtained. So Tava Sharire Jagat Sarvam Idam Pashyami Prabho. And what kind of you? Tvam Anadihi, one who does not have beginning. Because if there is a beginning, then the question is, what was there before it? Obvious question, right? If you say it started, God suddenly created one day. Okay, what was there before that? We knew the answer for it. That question will come. And so the answer is Anadihi. There is never a beginning. There is never a beginning. And that's a tough concept to understand for most of people who see things in a linear progression way, where they think that there is always a beginning, which means there is also an end. And hence, if there is no beginning, anadihi, then anantaha, there is no end. Anta nasti anantaha. So anadihi, anantaha, those are our. That is how we see the Brahma, the big concept, and that supreme entity, Bhagavan, Brahma, Paramatma, Vishnu, Narayana, Shiva, whatever you call it. That is Anadi Ananta. So Tvam Anadihi. At the same time, we also said Anirdeshyaha. Desha is location. Desha is region. Desha is country, right? आप कहाँ से है? देश हम उत्तर प्रदेश से है. देश is location. हम भारत देश से है, अमेरिका देश से है. देश जिसका बता सकते हैं वो देश्य. जिसका देश नहीं बता सकते हैं वो निर्देश्य. देश comes from dish. Dish is direction. आप कहाँ से है? ओ मैं वहां से हूँ. And if there is a name to it, you will give a name. मैं पूर्व से हूँ. पूर्व में कहा? मैं भारत से हूँ. ऐसा. तो दिशा बताना वाला स्थान देश. देश नहीं जो बता सकते हैं वो निर्देश्य. सॉरी, जो बता सकते हैं वो निर्देश्य. जो नहीं बता सकते हैं तब अनिर्देश्य. तो we cannot tell where is he. वो वहां है, ऐसा हाथ ऊपर दिखाना, ऊपर देखना. Then that is a limited definition. When you are locating and saying, oh, he is there, that means obviously he is not there other places. Right? Just as we said, if there is a beginning to it, then there is a question of what is there before it. Then how is this great?
So Vishnu Sahasranam is there, right? Vishnu Sahasranam Anirdeshya Vapu Sriman Madhavo Madhusudana.
Yes, Anirdeshya. Correct. So there is no beginning to it, and you cannot define or you cannot determine it. You cannot say that this is the coordinates. Yahan rahega wo. No. And that is what Prahlad also shows. कहाँ है रे? पूछा उनका बाप ने. कहाँ है बताओ, मुझे तो नहीं दिख रहा है. कहाँ नहीं है? बोला उन्होंने. कुत्र नास्ति. कहाँ है वो पूछा तो कहाँ नहीं है बोल रहे. पूछा है प्रहलाद. वो तो इस स्तंभ में है क्या? अरे अभी समझा नहीं क्या? मैं इतना साल से आपको बता रहा हूँ कि जहाँ चाहे वहाँ है. इस स्तंभ में क्या हाँ है तो दिखाओ, मैं उसको मारूंगा करके फोड़ा. And then he showed himself up as Narasimha. So likewise, yahan hai karke if you point, then that means you are confining him to that area. If you have confined him to that area, that means his limited power. जो limitless, unlimited, infinite, undeterministic, that is called anirdeshya. So you cannot point him, you cannot locate him, you cannot determine him, because he's there everywhere. That's all is the point. So anirdeshya. Tvam anadihi anirdeshya. Tvam aham sharanam gataha. I sought refuge in you. Tvam aham sharanam gataha. Tamuvacha harih pritaha.
तमुवाच हरिप्रीतः
कश्यपं धूतकल्मषं
कश्यपं दूतकल्मषं
वरं वरय भद्रं ते
वरं वरय भद्रं ते
वरार्होऽसि मतो मम.
वरार्होऽसि मतो मम
वरार्होऽसि.
वरार्होऽसि मतो मम.
उत्तमम्. So tam, unto such Kashyapa, who was doing this prayer of Vishnu, tamuvacha, unto him, harihi pritaha, tam Kashyapam dhutakalmasham uvacha. Dhutakalmasha, one whose kalmashas are washed away. Dhutakalmasha. Tam dhutakalmasham Kashyapam pritaha harihi. Pleased Hari. He is not pleased because he praised him. So there is a difference between guys who get pleased when somebody praises them and guys who don't get pleased when somebody don't praise him. Those are ordinary guys. Here, Pritaha, why? Because when Kashyapa is call it Stuti, praising him, he's not really praising him. He's expressing what he understood, how he realized Bhagavan. And Vishnu is Pritaha because, Kashyapa, you understood me correctly. You realized me perfectly, absolutely. And hence he is pleased. Not stotra karne se pleased nahi hote hai. Please, stotra means there what essentially, this is how I have realized you. This is how I understood you, is what we are trying to say. Like we say, right? Today's communication also in meetings. When, let us say, customer tells you the requirement, you immediately report back your understanding of the requirement. If I take a minute, may I take a minute? Let me recap what I understood. And we acknowledge back, saying, this is what I understood, right? Likewise, our stotram of Bhagavan is not about pleasing him or praising him. It is essentially expressing how we understood him, how we see him, how we identify him, how we realize him. That expression is what we are telling him. And once Bhagavan understands that, yes, he understood me correctly, he is seeing me correctly, he is realizing me correctly, then he is pleased. So, because Kashyapa saw him as Anadihi, Anirdeshyaha, Tapomayaha, Taporashihi, Tapomurtihi, Tapatmakaha, Purushottamaha, unto him Tvam Sharanam Gataha, so Harihi Pritaha. And what did he do? Uvacha, he said this to Kashyapa. What did Hari say? Varam Varaya, seek a boon. Varam best, Varaya, seek the best. Varam Varaya, Bhadram te, again, may best be to you. Varam Varaya Bhadram te, why? Vararhosi, iti mato mama. Mataha, my opinion, mama mataha asti. Bhavan tvam vararhaha asti, asi. You are eligible, arhaha, for vara. You are eligible to be the best, and so ask for the best, and I will give you the best. That is what Harihi told unto Kashyapa. Tachutva vachanam tasya.
तच्छ्रुत्वा वचनं तस्य
Marichaha Kashyapo bravit.
मारीचः कश्यपो ब्रवीत्
Aditya devatanam cha.
आदित्या देवतानां च
मम चैवानुयाचतः
मम चैवानुयाचतः
वरं वरद सुप्रीतो
वरं वरद सुप्रीतो
दातुमर्हसि सुव्रत.
दातुमर्हसि सुव्रत.
I think if we understand all these current ritualistic Hindu practices, rituals are also important, but to graduate from rituals into a bigger understanding of Bhagavan, bigger understanding of the Brahman, for that we have to study all these. Then we understand how we see God, how we see personality building. All of that we can learn. See, every time, how do we address? We are addressing him as Suvrata. Suvrata means, for us, Vratam means, haldi, kumkum, coconut, camphor, agarbatti. These are symbolic, physical parts of it. But Vratam essentially is, as Rama says, Vayam sarvabhutebhyo dadamye tad vratam mama. That is his Vratam. Vratam there, he is not doing, agarbatti, harati. That is not Vratam. Vratam is essentially a diksha, a tapas. Once you make a resolve, sticking to it no matter what, sticking to it is Vratam. So Suvrata, one who has a good Vratam, one who sticks to his Vratam properly. That means if I have to please you, I should also be one like that. Otherwise, how can I please you? That means when we praise God as Suvrata, it reminds us that we also have to be Suvratas. We should take up a Vratam and stick to it no matter what. Take any Vratam. And that Vratam can be a ritual like this also. Every morning I will get up at 4 o'clock, for example, and do it. Then it is a Suvrata. And that is why we say Veera Vrata. What is our Prarthana Shloka? Veera
Suviravaratmujvalam.
Right? Vratam. So that is how we have to understand and unite and integrate all our scriptures and texts to understand and elevate our personality. Graduate from kindergarten, elementary, medium, middle school, high school to university, doctoral, postdoctoral. Now we have to graduate. And to graduate, we have to understand each and every word, what it means. Because finally, what does the Upanishad say? Nahi jnanat sadrishaha pavitram he vidyate. There is nothing pavitram like jnana. Sadrishaha is like. Nahi jnanat sadrisham pavitram he vidyate. There is nothing more than knowledge, more divine, more pavitram than knowledge. Of course, knowledge should not become bookish. It should get into practice also. But point is to realize all these small terms, but realize them, not just read and move on, story, etc. But so Suvrata, when we address him, he will get pleased with Suvrata only if we are Suvratas or Veeravratas. That's what science works, all of us in Shakha daily we pray. So Veeravratamujvalam. So Supritaha Varada, O Varada, Varandatum Arhasi. You can give us a Vara. What is it? Aditya Devatanam cha Mama cha Eva Anuyachataha. Along with Aditi of all gods, Mama and of me also, Anuyachataha. We are following you, we are seeking you for a Varam. Tachutva Vachanam Tasya Marichaha Kashyapo Bravit. Now, who is this Marichaha? My friend, English guy, those times, they read this and they say, oh, Kashyapa is a Rakshasa.
Marichehe Putra.
Because they know Maricha. Marichehe Putra, Marichaha. Maricha is Marichihi. Om Marichaye Namaha.
Suryaputra.
Right?
Surya Namaskar.
Surya. So Maricha is Surya. And so of Maricha is Marichaha. Dasharatha. Dasharatha ke jo hai wo Dasharati hi. जैसे वैसे ही
तद्धित।
मरीचिका जो है वो मारीचः. So Kashyapa is a descendant, is a son of Maricha, the first Prajapati. So Marichah Kashyapah Abravit. He said the following. After Tadvachanam Shrutva, after listening to Vishnu's line, saying Varam Varaya Bhadranthe. So what did they ask? What is he finally asking now? He is asking it. Putratvam Gaccha Bhagavan.
Putratvam Gaccha Bhagavan.
Aditya Mamachanagha.
Aditya Mamachanagha.
Bhrata Bhava Yaviyanstvam.
Bhrata Bhava Yaviyanstvam.
Shakrasya Surasudana.
Shakrasya Surasudana.
Shokartanam tu Devanam.
Shokartanam tu Devanam.
Sahayam Kartumarhasi.
Sahayam Kartumarhasi.
So, Varada, please give us this Varam, he asked. What is the Varam? Putratvam Gaccha. Go for sonship. Become our son, essentially. Putratvam Gaccha means you cannot become our son, but you become like our son. Putratvam. Like Hindu, Hindutvam. Vyakti, Vyaktitvam. Likewise, Putra is son. Putratvam is the sonness or the childness. So, Gaccha. Gaccha means you become or you take up childness, essentially. Putratvam Gaccha means you take up childness. Which means, literally means you become our son, but essentially it take up childness, which means become our son, like act like our son. Putratvam Gaccha Bhagavan, O Bhagavan, Aditya Mama Cha Anagha. Adityaha Mama Cha. You become a child of me and Aditi. Adityaha Mama Cha Anagha. And Bhrata Bhava. Become Bhrata, become a brother of who? Shakrasya. Chakra is who? We always said, right? Shatakratuhu yahakaroti saha Shakraha. Indra. So Bhrata Bhava Shakrasya. Become a brother of Indra. And so his name is now what? If you become a brother of Indra, what will your name be that we know?
Upendraha.
Upendra. Upa Indra. Next to President, next to him is Vice President. Indra, next to him is Upendra. And so today we don't have Vikramji here, but in Vedas, Indra is the topmost.
Yes.
Later, in our Purana stories and all, Upendra became very more powerful and he expressed all his qualities. And, that's how it. But Indra, Upendra. So again, not for comparison or anything. How the anecdotes and events have evolved. Bhrata Bhava. Yaviyan. Yaviyan is younger one. Become younger brother. Bhrata means brother. Which brother? Elder brother or old younger brother? So Yaviyan. Yaviyan Bhrata Bhava. Kaniyan is another term, synonym. Kaniyan or Yaviyan. Jayan, Kaniyan or Jayan, Yaviyan. So Yaviyan Bhrata Bhava Tvam Shakrasya Asurasudana. Asurasudana, Arisudana, Madhusudana. Sudana is Sudayati, kills. The killer of Asuras. Tokartanam Devanam tu Sahayam Kartumarhasi. You are eligible and so you can help all the gods who are filled with Shoka, Arti. Shoka is sorrow, Arti is anxiety. Who are filled with anxiety and sorrow. So you, unto such gods, you can help them because they all lost their power. They cannot do their jobs. Of course, Bali is not very bad, but still a powerless person is a powerless person. One who cannot perform his actions independently is a Shokarti. So Shokartanam tu Devanam Sahayam Kartumarhasi. Ayam Siddhashramo Nama.
Ayam Siddhashramo.
अयं सिद्धाश्रमो नाम
प्रसादाप्ते भविष्यति
प्रसादाते भविष्यति
सिद्धे कर्मणि देवेश
सिद्धे कर्मणि देवेश
उत्तिष्ठ भगवन्नितः.
उत्तिष्ठ भगवन्नितः.
So Kashyapa is telling or is requesting, praying Vishnu. Uttishtha, Uttishtha, Uttishtha Govinda, Uttishtha Garuda Uttishtha. Likewise, Kausalya Supraja Rama, Purva Sandhya Pravartate, Uttishtha Narashardula. Right? So likewise, Kashyapa is likewise. So likewise, Kashyapa is also praying here. Uttishta Bhagavan, oh God, please rise, get up. Itaha, from here. Now enough of your tapas in this Siddhashrama. Please get up and leave. Why? Ayam Siddhashramaha nama prasadat te bhavishyati. With your prasad, te prasadat, from your prasada, ayam Siddhashramo nama bhavishyati. This ashrama will get the name, this place will get the name Siddhashrama by your prasada. Why? Siddhe karmani devesha. Because in that successful karma activity of you getting back the powers and responsibilities or positions of all gods, by getting back it successfully, this ashrama will get the name called success. Place in the name of the place itself is called success. Siddhashramaha. Siddhashramo nama prasadatte bhavishyati siddhe karmani devesha bhagavan itaha uttishtha. Itah param. So after this, it will get the name Siddhashrama. So please get up and fulfill it so that we can carry on this name called Siddhashrama. Atha Vishnur Mahateja.
Atha Vishnu Maharteja.
Atha Vishnur Mahateja.
Atha Vishnur Mahateja.
Adityam Samajayata.
Adityam Samajayata.
Vamanam Rupamasthaya.
Vamanam Rupamasthaya.
Vairochani Mupagamat.
Vairochani Mupagamat.
Atha, then, thus Vishnu, Mahatejaha Vishnu, the most powerful Vishnu, Adityam, in Aditi, Samajayata, Samyak Ajayata, Jayate, present tense, Ajayata, past tense. Samyak Ajayata, that means he was born in Aditi. Vamanam Rupam Asthaya, by being in the Vamana Rupa, in the short form, Vairochanim, Vairochani is Bali, unto Vairochani, Upagamat, Upagamat, means he went up to Vairochani, who was performing the Yajna and all. And as I said, right, Valmiki is very, very cryptic, tells the story in a very few sentences, that's all. Not a big detailed story, not much of drama and all. But these stories are elaborated in Bhagavatam and all in much detailed way. But here it is being very cryptic. So, Trin Kramanatha Dikshitva Pratigruhya cha Manadah Akramya Lokatma
Akramya Lokan Lokatma
सर्वलोकहिते रतः
सर्वलोकहिते रतः
महेन्द्राय पुनः प्रादात्
महेन्द्राय पुनः प्रादात्
नियम्य बलिमोजसा
नियम्य बलिमोजसा
त्रैलोक्यं स महातेजाः
त्रैलोक्यं स महातेजः
महातेजाः
महात्याः चक्र
चक्रे चक्रवशं पुनः
चक्रे चक्रवशं पुनः त्रिलोकं
So he went Vairochanim Upagamat. He went up to Vairochani Bali and then Bhikshitva, by seeking Bhiksha. So he Vamana, right? Vamana means short, as we said. Short as in lowering yourself. So by lowering himself, Bhikshitva, he sought Bhiksha. What Bhiksha did he seek? Treen Kraman. Three Kramas. Krama is a step. So he asked three kraman. He asked three steps. Pratigrihya cha, by seeking 3 steps of the bhiksha. What did he pratigrihya? What did he receive? Akramya, by occupying. Akramya is occupying. See, krama is step. Akrama, putting the complete foot, putting the complete step. Taking the complete step is akramanam. So akramya, by he asked for 3 steps, and by taking complete 3 steps, akramya lokan. So he asked for 3 steps, and he occupied 3 steps, 3 lokas, with such big foot. Trin lokan akramya lokatma. Why? How could he do that? Because he is Lokatma. He is the Atma of the Loka. Lokanam Atma Yah Sahalokatma. So because he is the Atma of the Lokas, there is nothing special for him to occupy that entire Loka with one Krama. Three Lokan Akramya Lokatma. And why? Sarva Loka Hite Rataha. Sarva Loka Hite Rataha. Because he is always, what is his vratam? This is the point again, rataha, vratam. His vratam is sarvaloka hita, welfare of all the worlds. And typically, how will the welfare of all the worlds be established? When everybody is doing their respective jobs, not taking over each other's jobs. Everybody should do their respective jobs. Gods have their jobs to do, yakshas have their jobs to do, humans have their jobs to do, animals have their jobs to do, etc., etc. If one takes over the others, then there is disharmony. Right? So whenever that happens, then he has to come and settle back things. And so because he is Sarvaloka Hite Rataha, and gods are denied their responsibilities, he has now come back. Because he is Lokatma, he has taken away those 3 lokas with 3 kramas, with 3 foots, or with 3 orders. In fact, krama is also order. So with 3 foots, or 3 steps, or 3 orders, he has taken away those 3 words and gave back to gods. Mahendraya punaha pradat. Unto Mahendra, he gave back. Pradat. Dadati adadat. Pra adadat pradat. So he gave back to Mahendra those words, his words. Niyamya balim ojasa, by controlling Bali with his ojas. Controlling meaning giving him lessons, saying, why do you want to unnecessarily take over and all? Do your job, let them do their job. Right? So Balim Niyam Ojasa Niyamya Trailokyam Saha Mahatejaha Chakre Chakravasham Punaha. Nice rhyming, right? Prasa. Chakravasham Punaha Trailokyam Saha Mahatejaha Chakre. Chakra Chakre. We said chakre is lit lakara, very old past tense. Chakre means krutavan, he did it, kiya hai. क्या किया है उन्होंने? त्रैलोक्यम, all the three worlds को Shakravasham, gave back to the control of Shakra, to Indra again, punaha, again. So Saha Mahatejaha त्रैलोक्यम Shakravasham punaha Chakre. So he finished his job there. Tenaiva purvamakrantah
तेनैव पूर्वमाक्रान्तः
आश्रम श्रमनाशनः
आश्रमः श्रमनाशनः
मया तु भक्त्या तस्यैष
मया तु भक्त्या तस्यैष
वामनस्योपभुज्यते.
वामनस्योपभुज्यते.
So Vishwamitra is now telling, Tena eva purvam akrantaha ashramaha shramanashanaha. This land, which was shramanashanaha, shramam nashayati shramanashanaha. Shrama is tiresome, tireless karti hai. It gets rid of your tiredness. Shramanashanaha, ashramaha. In fact, ashrama, name of ashrama means that Shramanashanaha is ashramaha. Shrama nivartaka sthanam ashramaha. Where you relax, where you can relax is ashramaha. Relax not necessarily physically, but spiritually is ashramaha. So, tena eshaha ashramaha, Shramanashanaha ashramaha, purvam akrantaha. This was occupied, akrantaha, occupied, purvam, long time ago, by him, by that Vamana. Vamanasya upabhujyate, maya upabhujyate. Tasya means of that Vamanasya. Tasya Vamanasya eshaha shramanashanaha ashramaha purvamakrantaha maya tu bhaktya upabhujyate. By me, now this ashrama is being served, upabhujyate, or being enjoyed by me, or utilized by me now. Etam ashramayanti rakshasa vighnakarinaha.
Etamashramayanti
Rakshasa vighnakarinaha.
Rakshasa Vighnakarinaha
Atraiva purusha vyagraha.
Atraiva Purusha Vyagraha
Kshamatam. Atraiva purusha vyagra
Atraiva Purusha Vyagra
hantavya duštacharinaha.
Hantavya Duštacharinaha.
So after narrating this Siddhashrama story by Vishwamitra to Rama, when he asked what is this great ashrama, because after coming from Tataka's Vanam, where it was so horrible, when he saw this Siddhashrama, it is so beautiful, he asked what is this, and Vishwamitra started telling the story that this is where Vishnu did his tapas, and while he was doing tapas, there Bali already took over all the three worlds and was doing this yajna where he was giving away everything, and Kashyapa, fortunately, with Aditi, same time came and sought Varam from Vishnu, from Madhusudanam, about becoming his child and to help Indra. And so he took the childhood of Aditi and Kashyapa and the brotherhood of Indra, and so got the name Upendra, and he went in Vamana Rupa to Bali, Vairochani Bali, taught 3 steps of Bhiksha, and because he is Lokatma, he has occupied those 3 lokas, and Bali had to give away all of that back to Vishnu. Vishnu gave it back to Mahendra. So that story having told that, such great ashrama, which I have been utilizing for this tapas and all, for Siddha tapas, राक्षसाः विघ्नकारिणः एतमाश्रमम् आयान्ति आयाति आगच्छति सिंगुलर verb आयान्ति they keep coming in past in plural number who vignakarinah interrupting rakshasas who come and interrupt our yajnas here. In fact, that's why in puja also first thing what do we say, bhutauchatanam we say,
उत्तिष्ठन्त भूतपिशाचाः
उत्तिष्ठन्त भूतपिशाचाः we say, एते भूमिभारकाः एतेषाम् अविरोधेन ब्रह्मकर्म समारभे. Because all these bhutapishachah etc., they're always vignakarinah. They come and disturb us. So first thing we say is please go away. And so we also pray that aspect of Bhagavan, which is the Vigna Nivarakaha or Vigna Nashakaha, that aspect called Ganapati or Ganesha or Vigna Nashakaha. So Vignakarinah Rakshasaha etam ashramam ayanti. And so if you see now, Rama is also Vigna Nashaka. Sri Rama is going to be Vigna Nashaka. All these Vignakarinas are there. He is going to kill them, and so he becomes Vigna Nashaka. Now, that is why we said, you cannot nirdeshya, oh, Vignanashaka, Vignesha means this form. At a kindergarten level, yes, that form. But when we graduate, Vignanashaka is that, again, Swayam Paramatma is Vignanashaka. Rama is Vignanashaka. Krishna is Vignanashaka. So, etam ashramam ayanti rakshasaha vignakarinah atraiva purusha vyaghra. Purusha vyaghra. Another synonym for Nara Shardula. Purusha Vyaghra. O Nara Shardula, Dushtacharinaha Atraiva Hantavyaha. You have to kill them here only. You have to get rid of those obstacles here only. Now, whether you see those obstacles as like this, or obstacles of laziness, or obstacles of envy, or obstacles of jealousy, right? Whatever are those obstacles, physical, material, or feelings, kill them, remove them here itself. Atraiva. Don't go elsewhere. No, there is nowhere else to look up. Atraiva, here itself. Atraiva hantavyaha. They have to be killed. Adya gacchamahe Rama.
Adya gacchamahe Rama.
Siddhashramam anuttamam.
Siddhashramam anuttamam.
Tadashramapadam tata.
Tadashramapadam tata.
Tavapyetad yatha mama.
Tavapyetad yatha mama.
Yatha mama.
Yatha mama.
So, after Rama asked, oh, you are going to Siddhashrama. Where are we going? Please tell me. And then he told about all the Siddhashrama. They haven't yet gone. So, Vishwamitra is telling, Adya gacchamahe. Today let us go to where, Rama? To Siddhashramam Anuttamam. The best Siddhashrama. Let's go today itself. Now that you came to know the entire story of Siddhashrama, let's go today itself. Tat ashrama padam is tadashrama padam. Tat, that ashrama padam, tata. Tata is a beautiful addressing, relationship addressing in Sanskritam. In all South Indian languages, tata means grandfather, because that's also an affectionate. But in Sanskritam, tata is affectionately calling your younger one as in the father. Tata essentially means father, but affectionately calling is tata in Sanskritam. So Vishwamitra is calling Rama tata. Tata, tad ashrama padam, that ashrama, tava api, it's also yours, yatha mama, just as mine. Just as I have taken that ashrama padam from Vamanasya, yatha maya upabhujyate, tathaiva tava api, it's also yours. That means you have to protect it. You have to get rid of the Vignakarinah, Dushtacharinaha there. So tata tadashrama padam tavapi yatha mama. Pavit pravishan ashrama padam
प्रविशन्नास्मत् पदम्
vyaro pravishan ashrama padam
प्रविशन्नाश्रम पदम्
vyarochata mahamuni
व्यरोचत महामुनिः
शशीव गत निहारः
शशीव गतनिहारः
पुनर्वसु समन्वितः.
पुनर्वसु समन्वितः.
Beautiful similes given here. So pravishan, by entering ashrama padam, by entering that ashrama padam, mahamuni vyarochata. Rochate ruchihi asti. Rochate. Arochata means abah. He enjoyed that ruchi. Means he enjoyed that taste. What was the taste of Rama entering the ashrama itself? Mahamuni enjoyed that event, that moment, that event when Rama entered his ashramam. How did that ashrama now look like? Shashi gata niharaha iva. Nihara means gata niharaha means tyakta himaha. Nihar is snow. We have several yuva whose names are Nihar. Nihar Shukla, Nihar whatever, right? Nihara means snow. So gata niharaha, after snow melts. When snow is there, can anybody move? Can any action happen? No action can happen. Everybody is indoors, right? But after snow passes away, gata niharaha, when the snow passes away, then all of us jump out and start again doing our activities, right? So likewise, by Rama entering there, the niharaha went away, the snow went away, the tamas went away, so that activity can now start. And so by when snow goes away, moon, just as moon appears after when snow goes away, again in the next season, moon appears with Punarvasu Samanvitaha, along with Punarvasu Nakshatra. So just as moon in the Punarvasu Nakshatra, after snow melts, so also Siddhashrama looked when Rama entered, and so Mahamuni Vishwamitra was pleased and enjoying that taste. Vyarochata, he enjoyed it. And what is speciality of Punarvasu? Punarvasu is the nakshatram. That means it is in Dvivachanam. Punarvasu, Punarvasu. Punarvasu is a Dvivachanam nakshatram. Punarvasu dve tare tabhyam samanvitaha yuktaha. So that means there are two stars. Again, the problem is in English, both are stars only. Whereas there is Tara, there is Nakshatram. So Tara is each star that you see. But a shape of them together, which move always together, is the Nakshatram. So in the Punarvasu Nakshatra, there are two stars. And who are they here? Rama Lakshmana. So with Rama and Lakshmana, as if they are Punarvasu Nakshatram, Shashi looked glowing, just as Shashi would glow with Rama and Lakshmana, or with the Punarvasu Taras on both sides, when when snow is gata nihara, so also Vishwamitra looked like that Shashi with Rama Lakshmana around him, and gata nihara, with the Rakshasas gone. That means they will be gone, but Vishwamitra is already sure that they will be gone. That Hima here is compared to Rakshasas, who stop us from doing any activity, going outdoor and performing activity, being active. So Rakshasas are Vignakarinaha, like that Hima. Gatamiharaha Shashi Iva Vishwamitraha with Rama Lakshmana Punarvasu Tare, he looked like that. Tam Drishtva Munaya Sarve.
तं दृष्ट्वा मुनयः सर्वे
सिद्धाश्रम निवासिनः
सिद्धाश्रम निवासिनः
उत्पत्त्योत्पत्त्य सहसा
उत्पत्त्योत्पत्त्य सहसा
उत्पत्त्योत्पत्त्य
उत्पत्त्योत्पत्त्य सहसा
सहसा विश्वामित्रम् अपूजयन्
विश्वामित्रं पूजयन्
विश्वामित्रम् अपूजयन्.
विश्वामित्रमपूजयन्.
So tam drishtva, so now Rama and Vishwamitra, they all entered. So tam drishtva, looking at Vishwamitra, Siddhashrama nivasinaha, all the residents of the Siddhashrama, Munayaha sarve, all those munis, utpatya, by getting up and also falling down, by getting up and falling down, by getting up and bending. Utpatya, Utpatya becomes Gunasandhi, Utpatya, over and over, each one by one, Vishwamitram Apujayan, they worshipped Vishwamitra. Sahasa, Twara, immediately, in one by one, quickly, they have worshipped Vishwamitra by looking at him after a while. Yatharham Chakrire Pujam.
यथार्हं चक्रे पूजां
Vishwamitraya Dhimate
विश्वामित्राय धीमते
Tathaiva Rajaputrabhyam
तथैव राजपुत्राभ्याम्
Akurvan Athiti Kriyam.
अकुर्वन् अतिथिक्रियाम्.
So Yatharham, as per their eligibilities, Pujam Vishwamitraya Dhimate Vishwamitraya Chakre. Chakre means they did. Wa Chakrire Bahuvachanam. Chakre singular vachan. Chakrire Bahuvachan. Dhimate Vishwamitraya Yatharham Pujam Chakrire. They did puja to the intellectual Vishwamitra, and Tathaiva, so also Rajaputra Bhyam Dvivachanam, unto the two Rajaputras, Rama and Lakshmana, Atithi Kriyam Akurvan, they did the Atithi services, guest services. They offered to Rajaputras, and to Vishwamitra they did the puja, complete puja. Muhurtamiva Vishrantau.
मुहूर्तमिव विश्रान्तौ
Rajaputra Varindamau
राजपुत्रावरिन्दमौ
Pranjali Munishardulam
प्राञ्जलि मुनिशार्दूलम्
Uchatuh Raghunandanau.
ऊचतुः रघुनन्दनौ.
So Muhurtamiva Vishrantau, because they came such a long distance directly in one shot to Siddhashrama, for a moment, Vishrantau in Bahuvachanam, Dvivachanam. So that means Rama and Lakshmana. For a moment, those two just sat down and little rested, closed their eyes. For a moment, Vishrantau, just for a moment they have taken the rest. And Rajaputrau, those two Rajaputras, Arindamau, those two who are who can suppress the foes, the enemies. Pranjali, Pranjalayah. Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bahuvachanam. In Dvivachanam, Pranjali, that means again Rama and Lakshmana, those two. Munishardulam, unto Munishardula, who is Vishwamitra. Raghunandanau Uchatuhu. So Uchatuhu. So Uchatuhu. Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bahuvachanam. So Raghunandanau Muhurtam Iva Vishrantau Rajaputrau Arindamau Raghunandanau Pranjali Munishardulam Uchatu. For a moment they just rested, and then immediately they got up, and unto Vishwamitra they said this. What did they say? Adyaiva Diksham Pravisha Bhadram te Munipungava.
अद्रैव दीक्षां प्रविश्य भद्रन्ते मुनिपुङ्गव
Pravisha, not
प्रविश
Pravishya. Pravisha.
प्रविश भद्रन्ते मुनिपुङ्गव
Siddhashramoyam siddha syat.
सिद्धाश्रमोऽयं सिद्धः स्यात्
Satyamastu vachastava.
सत्यमस्तु वचस्तव.
So for a moment they rested. Immediately they remembered, oh, we have our job to do. So they got up and told Vishwamitra, Adyaiva, today, this moment itself, Diksham Pravisha, Munipungava, oh Munipungava, Adyaiva Diksham Pravisha, you enter into Diksha now itself, today itself. Don't wait, we have come, you can start your yajna. That's what they are saying. Adyaiva Diksham Pravisha, enter into Diksha today. Bhadram te, may, you be secured. Siddhashramaha, ayam siddhaha syat. They are saying, yes, you told us the story about Siddhashrama, that it got the name from Vamana, from Madhusudana, because he succeeded with successive Siddha. Because he succeeded in giving back the world to the gods, so also it will again now get this name Siddha with, because you will also succeed with your yajna. That's what he's saying. Siddhashramoyam siddhaha syat. Syat means it shall be. It shall be siddhaha again. Satyamastu vachastava. Your vachanam may be truthful. He's saying Rama. Eva mukto mahateja.
एवमुक्तो महातेजा
Vishwamitro Mahamunihi
विश्वामित्रो महामुनिः
Pravivesha Tato Diksham
प्रविवेश ततो दीक्षां
Niyato Niyatendriyaha.
नियतो नियतेन्द्रियः.
So, Eva Muktaha, thus told by Rama and Lakshmana, Mahatejaha Vishwamitra, Mahatejaha Mahamunihi Vishwamitraha Niyatendriyaha Tataha Diksham Pravivesha Niyataha. So, Niyataha Niyatendriyaha Diksham Pravivesha. Niyataha, जिसका नियम है वह नियतः. नियत इंद्रियः, not only is he नियमित है, उनका इंद्रिय भी नियमित है. ऐसे विश्वामित्रः दीक्षां प्रविवेश, he entered into Diksha upon the request and prayer of Rama and assurance given by Rama that you will be successful. We are here to protect all your interruptions. Go ahead and start your yajna. Kumaravapitam ratrim.
कुमारावपितां रात्रिं
Ushitva susamahitau.
उषित्वा सुसमाहितौ
Susamahitau.
सुसमाहितौ
Prabhata kale chothaya.
प्रभातकाले चोत्थाय
Purvam sandhyam upasya cha.
पूर्वां सन्ध्याम् उपास्य च
Prushtodakau shuchi japyam.
कुष्ठोदको शुचि जप्यं
Samapya niyamena cha.
समाप्य नियमेन च
Hutagnihotramasinam.
हुताग्निहोत्रमासीनं
Vishwamitram avandatam.
विश्वामित्रम् अवन्दताम्.
Why is Ramayana called Vedopabrahmanam? If you see, Valmiki doesn't focus so much on storytelling. He is talking more of principles. He is hinting principles. He is hinting daily routines. He is hinting our dharma. He is hinting our achara. So over and over he keeps telling this in Ramayana, which you keep seeing. Kumarau api, those two Kumaras, which means Rama Lakshmana also, those two young lads, Rama Lakshmana, Ratrim Ushitva, having spent that night, Susamahitau, Samyak Ahitau, which means welcomed by everyone there, having welcomed well, they have slept at night. Prabhata Kale cha Utthaya, woke up early in the morning. So see the Janacharya, how they are described by Valmiki over and over. We have read this several times. Prabhata Kale cha Utthaya, Purvam Sandhyam Upasya cha. By doing upasana of Purva Sandhya, early morning Sandhya, dawn, morning, night over, morning starting, that Sandhya, that Sandhikala, which is Purva Sandhya. Purva Sandhya pravartate Uttishta Narshardhula, told by Vishwamitra. And then every day, every moment, wherever Vishwamitra gets a chance, he says that Rama did Purva Sandhya Upasana, which means if we all are listening to Ramayana, and if we respect Rama, and if we love Rama, we also follow him, right? Fans follow their hero. So we should also be following that. Purvam Sandhyam Upasya cha Sprushta Udakau, better means one who have touched the water, which means Arghya Karyam. That means they have offered the Arghya, Achamanam and Arghya. Sprushto Shuchi, we do all of that, right? For becoming Shuchi. Shuchi, Divachan, Shuchi, Japyam Samapya, after completing the Japa. So, entire Sandhya Vandana Krama is very shortly, briefly mentioned in these two slokas of how Rama did it. And that means how all of us do it. So, what should we do first? Purva Sandhyam Upasanam. How do we do that? Sprushto Dakau, first Achamanam, then Arghyam. What happened? Did something happen to you? Do you see anything? Something went wrong?
Yeah, the presentation slide, I think.
What
Yeah,
happened?
it's fine.
Suddenly I didn't do anything. It suddenly jumped back to first slide.
120,
Okay.
yeah.
Let's see. Purvam Sandhyam Upasya Sprishtodakau is the, I don't know why, but let us see. First slide. So Purvam Sandhyam Upasya, how did they do it? Sprishtodakau Shuchi. First we do Achamanam. Then we do what is called a Papa Vimochanam, which is very Apavishtamayogava and Drupadadiva Manchatu, Drupadadiven Mamuchanaha, all of that. And then Japyam Samapya. Then once we become Shuchi, then we do Gayatri Mantra Japam. So Japyam Samapya, Niyamena cha, as per Niyama. Unfortunately for most of us, that is where we stop because of our limitations. But Huta Agnihotram. By this time, Vishwamitra is Huta Agnihotram. He has already offered his Agnihotram. Asinam, and is sitting unto such Vishwamitram Avandatam. They have went and did Vandanam, Abhivadanam. We do, in the end, what do? We do Abhivadanam. We tell our Pravara and Ahambho Abhivadaye. Whole Sandhyavandana Kriya is told in 1.5 shloka. Not even 1.5 shloka. In fact, Sandhyam Upasya, that is the definition. How did he do? He's told in 1 shloka. Sprishtodakau Shuchi Japyam Samapya Niyamena cha Hutagnihotram Asinam Vishwamitram Avandatam. So unto your Guru you go and do Abhivadanam. Guru, Bhagavan, whoever, Ahambho Abhivadaye. We complete, right? Grand, cryptic. That is why Ramayanam Vedopa Brahmanam, they say. Vityarshe
Srimad Ramayane
Valmikiye Adikavye Balakande Navavimsha Sargah
नवविंशः सर्गः
So next sarga, 30th sarga is another brief sarga where he quickly kills all these Rakshasas. 31 onwards, next phase of Rama's pravas starts. For what purpose Vishwamitra brought him, that phase starts. But that runs for almost 40 sargas. But it does in 40 sargas. So next after 30th sarga is where he kills all the Rakshasas. 31st he says, okay, let's go to Mithila, and they start walking. And then two big stories in detail are told. In 10 sargas, Gangavataranam later. But before that, in another 10 sargas, 34th to 43rd sargas, is the story told of Vishwamitra's, his own story. Vishwamitra's autobiography he tells. So Rama asks, and he tells, okay, I will tell you my story. And he starts telling how the entire clan, all the way from Kushika, Gadhi, and then Vishwamitra, then how he fights for his first Rajarshi, then Maharshi, then how he finally becomes Brahmarshi, all his encounters with Vasishtha, all that story he tells in 10 sargas. And then in another 10 sargas, he tells the story of Gangavataranam, which is very, 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 very important. For all of us, we should study that. And if Hindus, if all of us study this in this manner to understand Ramayana and all, then we become better citizens. Then we become better nationalists. We become better Rashtriyavadis. We become better, humanvadis. Because Gangavataranam, if we study how one oath taken by 4 generations before, they don't leave. The generation after generation after generation after generation, finally Bhagiratha succeeds. But everybody tries. His father Anshuman tries. Before that, Sagara and all, they try. So we have to study that also. So through that, and at the end of that, finally they reach the 71st sarga. They would reach Mithila, and then quickly grand Kalyana happens. So we have a lot to cover, but let us keep our enthu and keep attending. I'll stop recording here. Somebody complete Shanti Mantra, then we can.
I'll do
Virendra ji, aap hi
that.
boliye.
Yes. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina, Sarve Santu Niramaya, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu, Ma Kaschit Dukhabhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Sushachate Subinanchate.